quick video of this unicorn pillow kit that we got for Christmas recently. It's an easy no-sew pillow kit. Make your own magical unicorn pillow. That's the box, and that's all the things that come with it. It's got these little tie things, case, stuffing, eyelashes, and these little flowers. So my daughter did this all on her own. She loved it. So this is the result. She said it was really easy, and she did it. I mean, the ears are pre-attached, same with the horn, and then she just had to use these things to tie. She was able to just look at the instructions and do it on her own, and she was really excited about it. The flowers are stuck on. See that? So it's possible with some wear and tear, if this isn't really used as anything more than like a decorative pillow, you might have to sew some of the stuff on. I don't know how it's going to stick. These ones she put on and then she adjusted them, and now I guess you could make it like sleeping, or you can make it like it's smiling. She wanted to make it like it's smiling. She's already taken this one off and sort of tried to adjust it, and there's not a lot of stickiness left. So these might need to have a little bit more suturing too, possibly. It's not something I would imagine would be more, they have like a lot of wear and tearness. I don't think it's, like it's like a felt, I don't know if you can tell, like a felt material. So it's not for heavy duty use. It's more just as a project and decorative. But she loved putting it together. She was very excited that she could do it all on her own, because she likes like the sewing kits, but those can be kind of hard for her. The thread gets all tangled and she goes in the wrong hole. So she was very excited that she could do this all on her own. So this one's a big thumbs up. It's it's Pinwheel Crafts. So any questions, let me know. But this one's a winner.